In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to landscape in WPS Office PC or laptop. Welcome and thank you for watching. In this guide, I will show you how to change your document layout from portrait to landscape using WPS Office on a computer. This process is simple, beginner-friendly, and very useful when you need more horizontal space for tables, images, or wide content. Everything you hear is designed to sound smooth and natural for an AI voiceover, so you can easily follow along step by step. To begin, make sure your document is already open in WPS Office on your PC or laptop. Once the document is visible on your screen, go to the top menu and click on the View tab. Inside this section, look for the option that allows you to display multiple pages. When you select this feature, your document will show more than one page side by side, making it easier to see how your layout looks across pages. At this point, you will notice that all the pages are currently displayed in portrait mode. This is the default orientation for most documents. To change the layout, move to the Page Layout tab located in the top menu. This section contains tools related to page size, margins, and orientation. Within the Page Layout tab, find the Orientation option. This setting is specifically used to switch your document between portrait and landscape formats. Click on the Orientation drop-down menu and then choose the Landscape option. As soon as you apply this setting, all pages in your document will automatically change from portrait to landscape. This adjustment gives you a wider layout, which is ideal for content that needs extra space across the page. After switching the orientation, you can adjust your view to focus on a single page. Use the zoom controls or change the page view so you can clearly see how the landscape layout looks. This helps you review spacing, alignment, and overall appearance before continuing your work. Using landscape mode in WPS Office is especially helpful when working on reports, charts, or documents that require a clean and spacious layout. Take a moment to review your document and make any small adjustments if needed to ensure everything looks balanced and professional. That is how you can easily change your document to landscape mode in WPS Office on a PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.